Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you the main reason why men need money most. You know, every man on earth wants to live large, and every man on earth wants to exercise his power. Every man on earth wants to be where he wants to be, but there are some men that never achieve all their dreams. But it is quite unfortunate. But if you keep working hard as a man, you will get what you want. Everything you want is out there waiting for you, but you will get where you want to be if you really work hard, because God has made everything possible for us. All we have to do is to work hard, play our part, do what we are supposed to do to get where we want to be. So even if you never get what you want, even if you never achieve your dream, once you keep working hard, once you keep going and no one stops you, you will get to your destination. Every man on earth likes money. Anyone who tell you that he don't like money is lying. Even if you are not all that rich, you are not a millionaire, a billionaire, every man must like money. Not must, every man likes money. Because if you claim that you don't like money, how will you pay your bills? The food you eat, the clothes you put on, your house rent, your family. Though not everyone wants to have a family, but even if you don't have a family, as a man, as a young guy, you must buy clothes, you must buy food to eat, you must buy water to drink. So every man likes money. So the main reason why men want money most is that every man wants to live a fulfilled life. Once you are living a life of fulfillment, that man will be a happy man. Food is not everything. Man shall not live by bread alone. Yes, but watch every man with money. Man who is fulfilling his promises, he will be healthy. Money and life works together. Money and life works hand in hand. So once you see a man who is rich, who do all his wishes, who pay his bills, no matter, even if he did not eat, watch that man. He is going to be healthy due to he is living a fulfilled life. So in today's video, I am going to tell you that men want money most because every man wants to live a fulfilled life. Men need money most because men wants to live a fulfilled life. What do I mean by fulfilled life? A man, or every man, wants to be the sole provider in his family. Every man wants to be able to pay his bill at due time, to provide his need, and to be comfortable with where he is. So this is the reason why men need money most. Men need money most because they want to live a fulfilled life. And once a man is living a fulfilled life, he will be excited, he will be healthy, he will be happy, and he will always be comfortable. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you get value from this video. If you do, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a video concerning men, natural ways to keep men. So thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. I am coming up with explosive and expository videos, so do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.